Weight and balance is extremely important, and quite frankly, it's something that most general aviation pilots probably don't think enough about. You can get in a habit where you're flying the same airplane, same passenger, same fuel load, and then you know what it is, you've got it down. But when you're flying different airplanes, you have different people in it, or you have an abnormal loading configuration, more bags, more people, whatever it may be, as you guys really got to be doing the weight and balance. Unfortunately, we really don't have to go through and get the pen and paper out or trace the lines of the POH and do the math problem. We can use, there's several apps out. I use preflight more than anything. Preflight has a great option where you put in your aircraft specific data, it builds an envelope, and you throw in your weight, your fuel burn, and everything, and you get a really nice presentation of weight and balance. But guys, it's so important. People ignore it all the time, and they don't realize that the numbers that you're seeing on these POHs, your performance numbers, they're based on that weight and balance. Okay. Most people don't realize is that when you say you stall at 59 knots, well, you stall at 59 knots only in full forward max gross position. So if you're lighter, you're going to stall less. If you're more of an aft CG, you're going to stall less at a lower speed, right? So that weight and balance, you need to know where you're at, right? You need to know where you're in the envelope so you can calculate your performance numbers, and you can always have that in the back of your mind.